guys, Connor here with Chrome Designs, and thank you for watching this video. Now today I'm going to show you how you can make a awesome YouTube background. Just go over to this tab here. This is what mine looks like current, depending on what time you're watching this video. I'll be showing you of ways you can basically manipulate this. Now I'd appreciate if you didn't copy this exactly, because it would just be copying really. But anyway, I'm here to help you kind of use these skills to your advantage and maybe change it in your own little way, maybe be unique. But anyway, link to the template is in description. If you want to know the basics of making a YouTube background, the link is also in description, and annotations should be on the screen. So if you're not very confident on Photoshop, I suggest you check out that first, and maybe once you got to grips with that, maybe come back to this video. But anyway, I'm going to be showing you how you can create this. Now, also one thing before we start, that just there, that little pattern is a brush, and so is that. So you might need some brushes, just use your own brushes really. But so if you want them there. But anyway, I think it's time to get started. I think the first thing we should do is we should do this text along the left. So I've just add in some text. I'm going to type in Chrome Designs. Now the font I'm using is Velocity. It'll be in DaFont if you search it. Change the size. I'm going to change the size to about 100. And I'm going to go to Edit, Transform, and rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. Now before I drag it over to the grey, my foreground colour is exactly the same. So if you go to right click and blending options, I'm going to add a colour overlay and make the colour white. And I'm going to make a stroke, a sort of dark grey. Darker grey than that, in fact, something like that. And I'm going to lower the size to about 1, there we go. And if you right click actual pixels, that's looking pretty nice. There we go. So you can just line it up. Maybe have it overlapping, but you don't notice that G. But anyway, I have it like that. And you've got the basic text along the left. Now what we could do is we could do this thing down the right of how to do that. So what I'm going to do is you're going to go to New Layer, bottom right, create New Layer. And I'm just going to go to the square object, and I'm going to draw from the top left, from the gap, down to the bottom. I'm going to make it slightly thick, about that, like that. And I'm going to also, what colours did I use for that? I used the darkest grey. So I'm going to go right click on that and blending options, and I'm also going to go to colour overlay, and add a dark grey, maybe not that dark. That'll do. Then once you've done that, you can maybe line it up by just zooming in, and just getting an inch perfect. As you see there, it falls kind of soft at the bottom. Okay. Fit on screen, and you've got that. So now what you want to do is you want to go on your original text that you made and click Ctrl J. Now this will basically duplicate it, or you can just drag it into the new layer. Now if you move that to top, above the layer that you just made, so it appears above, and if you go to Edit, Free Transform, I'm not going to do Free Transform, I'm going to transform and flick horizontal. In fact, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to flick vertical. You know what, it's a bit late. I'm just going to type the text out new. I'm going to type tutorials. Now I'm going to go onto the layer that you just made, right click and copy layer style. On the tutorials, right click and paste layer style. And then go to transform, I'm going to go to 90 degrees clockwise. And then just drag it over. It's maybe a bit big, so I'm going to go to edit, transform and scale. And if you hold down shift, it will stay in proportion. Seems alright. Use your arrow keys, make sure you've got the move tool selected, and just change it. Then hit Ctrl J again. drag it down, and you can type some new text in where you want it to be, and just keep doing that for the process. The only thing I need to show is just Control J, duplicate, change the text and drag it down. Pretty simple. Now what you could maybe add is you can maybe add some brushes. So I just go to new layer, and if I go to brush, I can maybe add a brush in here somewhere. Yeah, you can pretty much add brushes wherever you like. Some abstract one there. Go to brushes again, choose a different one. Abstract lines maybe, I don't know. Here we go. Try that out. There you go. That's all what's needed, and that is about it. You can use it to your own ways. You can. Yes, don't know what I'm on about. I may make a new layer, and if you go to rectangle, and if you click it at the bottom, I'm going to drag that down just a bit, and go to this little icon down here, and the gradient tool, and make sure it's on black and white, black to white, and set to linear, and just drag from the top down. That will start to create a fade, and it will fade out for you. My Photoshop is pretty messed up at the moment, and it's not doing it. But anyway, that is about it. Change the text, add your own brushes, text to the left. You can maybe add some writing down there. That's about it from me. Thanks for watching this video. Please remember to comment, rate and subscribe. Check out my channel for other tutorials, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.